Next is worksheet number 10 ma. This is from the prose 17 oranges. Again, this is also like worksheet number 7. Everything is student centered. You have to understand and give your own answers. Okay. Roman letter 1 is listen to the following passage extracted from the text 17 oranges and answer the questions that follows. A paragraph is given. Read the paragraph and find out the answer for the given question. Choose the correct answer for the options given below. Okay, it is choose the best answer only, so you can find it out from the given paragraph. Roman letter 2 is frame your own sentences for the underlined words. What is the first sentence? I was fond of them. What is the meaning of fond of? Liking. So you frame your own sentence for the underlined word. Another sentence. He looked into my pockets. Find out the meaning for the word looked into and frame your own sentence. Next, page number 32. Answer the following question. If you were in a position of the narrator, the boy, and was caught by the police officer for stealing oranges, what would you do? Explain in 2 sentences. So what is the meaning for stealing? It's a robbery. Okay, if you steal something from a person, that is, if you take something from a person without their knowledge, that is called stealing. So what will you do if a police officer catches you red-handed? That you have to give in 2 sentences here, your own sentence. Next one, complete the following story by adding 2 or 3 sentences. Beginning of the story is given here. You have to give your own story. Okay, elaborate the story in 2 or 3 sentences. What is the story here given is, last week I went to a fruit shop to buy a kilogram of apples. My father gave me ₹100 for that. The shopkeeper told me that the cost of 1 kilogram of apple was ₹150. Then that's all. Here the question ends. So from here you have to write your own story. Your story should be in 2 or 3 sentences. Maximum you can write 5 sentences also, no problem. Then coming to page number 33. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Again, this is a passage comprehension. Read the passage, understand and give your answer for 7 and 8 and 9. Next one, last is sixth Roman letter is punctuate the following. What is punctuation? Okay, what is punctuation? You have to give capital letter for the beginning of the sentence, and wherever you need comma, full stop, semicolon, colon, apostrophe, exclamatory mark, that you have to think and write. You refer your book, find out the sentence in the book, in the lesson 17 oranges, and write the punctuation here in page number 33. Next is page number 34, Roman letter 7. Have you ever involved in stealing things in your childhood or noticed someone stealing and get caught? Share your experience in 5 sentences. So here they are asking your own experience in your childhood days, whether you have stolen anyone's things and got caught from someone. Okay, what was that experience? If you have no experience, you tell that you don't have experience and give someone else's experience, no problem. Okay. Next, Roman letter 8. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. A picture is given. You have to understand the picture, then give answer for the question 12 and 13. What is the question given? What is happening in this picture? Describe in 2 sentences. So what do you see in this picture? A boy is taking something from the girl's bag. That you have to explain in 2 sentences. What is the girl doing? She is very innocent and she is reading a book. She is sitting under a tree. All those things you can write in answer number 12. Now page number 35. Snatching a bag from a girl is a rightful act. Express your opinion in 5 sentences. So they are asking you a question whether it is a right act to steal someone's bag. It is not right. Correct? It is not good to steal someone's bag. So you have to justify your answer in 5 sentences. Roman letter 9. Write an article for your school magazine describing a role of police officer in protecting the people. Usually police officers always protect people. Okay, so you are going to write an article for school magazine, and in that magazine, in that article, you are going to tell about the role of the police officer. That is very important. What does a police officer do to protect people? How he sacrifices his life? Okay, all those things you have to bring here and write in 5 sentences. Last one is in page number 36. Give a suitable title to the article. After completing the article for your school magazine, you have to give your own title for the article. Okay, topic for the article. That's all, ma. Worksheet number 10 is over. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you, ma.